All right, number one, a shopper pays $3.95 for 5 pounds of potatoes. What is the price per pound? What did you have to do? Divide. What number is always the Y? The money or the other one? Money is always the Y, and it's always Y over X. So it's money over X. So $3.95 divided by 5. Pull my decimal straight up. 5 cannot go into 3, but 5 goes into 39 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. I subtract. I get 4. Bring my 5 down. And 5 goes into 45 9 times. So the answer was B. Number 2. Hector paid $105 for 6 tickets at a hockey game. Each ticket cost the same amount. What was the cost of each ticket? What do I do to find the cost? Divide. Y over X, just like constant of proportionality. Money over the product. So 105 divided by 6. I also can put a decimal here and bring it straight up. Every number needs something above it, yes? Can 6 go into 1? No. Can 6 go into 10? How many times? Once. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract and I get 4. Bring my 5 down. 6 goes into 45 7 times. 7 times 6 is 42. And I bring my 0 down. And 6 goes into 30 5 times. So how much money was each ticket? Give it to me in money. $17.50. Number 3. The cost of groceries for the Wynn family is $210. The family used a coupon for 25% off. What was the final cost after the coupon was used? What do we have to change the percent to? By moving the decimal place 2 places to the left. So here's the decimal. I move it 2 places to the left and it becomes. Now what do I do? Multiply 210 times 0.25. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. I bring my 0 down. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. I add it all together. How many decimal places are there? How many of you picked A? So you knew what you were doing, yes? You just did not answer the question that they asked. What is this amount talking about? That's his final. This number I just found is his final cost? What is this? What does this represent? This is how much he gets off. The question did not say how much does he get off. It said what was the final cost after they apply the coupon. So what should you have done? Subtract $210 minus he's going to get $52.50 off. Does that make sense? Okay, so I got to go borrow. $10 minus 5 is 5. So I already know this is going to go. Yes? What else do I know that's got to go? This one's got to go because it's more money than they paid. And this has got to go because, I mean, like right there, I already know the answer is B. It's the only logical answer. Number 4. The ratio of the number of almonds to the ratio... excuse me. The ratio of the number of almonds to the number of raisins in a bag of trail mix is 4-3. Now, what did they say first, almonds or raisins? That means the first number belongs to almonds, and the second number belongs to raisins. There are 600 almonds in the bag. How many raisins are there? I need to make a box, a ratio box. I am comparing almonds to raisins. Yes? What is my ratio for almonds? 4. What is my ratio for raisins? 3. I want to know if there's 600 almonds, how many raisins are there? Now I have two options. I can either find the pattern or I can cross multiply and divide. I see the pattern. Does anybody know the pattern? If you don't see the pattern, you have to cross multiply and divide. But I know that 600 divided by 4 is 150. So if I multiply 4 times 150, it would give me 600. So I just need to do 3 times 150,
450.
which is 450. Now again, if you can't see the pattern, then you cross multiply and divide. Yes?
Yeah.
Then cross multiply and divide. They're going to get the same answer no matter which way you do it, as long as you do it right. Okay, turn the page. Number 5. The price of a sweater was reduced from $20 to $12. By what percent was the price of sweater reduced? Who remembers the formula for percent change?
Don't you have to subtract those?
Find the difference. So let's write this down.
Over the original?
Yep.
And then 1 over...
No.
No.
Difference over original is equal to x over 100. And we do have to have that memorized before our STAR test. All right, what is the difference between 20 and 12? Over what was the original amount? 20 is equal to x over 100. Now again, I have the same options I had on the last problem. I can either cross multiply and divide, or I can see if I see the pattern. Do y'all know how to get from 20 to 100? Times 5. So what is 8 times 5?
40.
That means it was 40% off. Number 6. A building has a height of 15 feet. There's approximately, now I like that word approximately because that means my answer might not be perfect, right? There's approximately 3.28 feet and 1 meter. What did they just give me? A ratio. Which measurement is closest to the height? So what am I going to make? I call it a box. Y'all call it a table. Is it the exact same thing? Yes. What am I comparing? Feet to meters. So I have feet and I have M for meters. I have 3.28 feet for 1 meter. I want to know how many meters are in 15 feet. Now, there's no way I can see a pattern, so I can cross multiply and divide. But I want to think logically.
But can't you just multiply 3.28? Yes, 15. Done. Yeah, you just multiply.
No, I'm dividing. So here's the thing. This isn't a fun problem to do because it's a lot of computational math, yes? But if I cross multiply, what would I get?
15.
15, and I would divide by what's left over.
3.28.
Now let's think logically. 3 times 11 is 33. That's too big. 3 times 49, there's no way that's going to give me 15. And 3 times 18 is going to be way bigger than what? 15. So the only logical answer is 4.57. And I know that 3 times 4 is 12. And so 0.57 times 0.28 would make up that difference of 3. It's got to be X.
I did so
Work smarter, not harder. Number 7. Y'all better not have missed this problem. What is the
This is the problem I'm having.
constant of proportionality? So what should I have done? Y over x.
I did X. I don't know what I did like X1 over X.
So I should have done 12 over 3. And 12 divided by 3 is, after this last test, you should know 100% how to do that, yes? Okay. Number 8. Guys, bring it in. Bring your volume down, okay? Number 8. Natasha has a job putting letters in envelopes to be mailed. In 1 hour, she puts 42 envelopes. Which equation represents Y, the number of letters she puts in envelopes in X hours? What is the only one that's, what are the only two that are written kind of correctly? G and J. And then this is a rate, so it has to be J. Number 9. Cheddar cheese costs $4.25 per pound. A is out. What else is out? B is out. Which one of these has $4.25 as the rate?
D.
D.
So I did so much work I didn't even need to do.
Number 10. A diver descends 64 feet in, excuse me, in 4 minutes. After 6 minutes, they descend 96 feet. What is the?
Constant of proportionality.
So how do you find constant of proportionality?
You know what? I missed this one.
Now stop and listen. How do I know what's Y? Because it.
You add 94.
No. Shh, guys, I need y'all to listen so I can explain it. I need a Y and an X. They gave me 2 Y's and 2 X's. I only need one each that go together. It tells me the number of feet is the Y. So pick the 2 numbers you want to use.
64 and 4.
64 and 4. So the feet is the Y. So 64 over 4. And 64 divided by 4 is 16. If you picked 1 over 16, you thought you could pick your own Y, and you don't get to do that. It specifically said Y is the number of feet descended.
It says I picked D.
Then you got it right.
But it says I picked. Oh, no. It says I picked B. My bad. I
Okay.
picked 1 over 16.
Yeah, if you picked B, then it's G. It just prints a little different when I print the test. So you did X over Y. You see the difference?
Sure, everyone should do
You did 4 over 64.
that. That's
That's 1/16.
actually
Yeah.
Got it.